Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. This is the ninth lecture of Industrial Relations and Labor Laws. This topic is very important for UPSC EPFO 2020 examination. In this video, we'll be talking about gig economy and new labor laws. Recently, Parliament has passed the Social Security Code 2020. In that code, there are some provisions for gig worker. We'll try to understand those provisions. We'll also understand what do we mean by gig economy. If you are preparing for UPSC EPFO, so you have to cover current affairs. You can download Educare 247 app from the Play Store, and on daily basis you can read the current affairs for your upcoming examinations. Let us understand what do you mean by gig economy. So basically it is a free market system in which temporary positions are common and organizations hire independent workers for short-term commitments. So basically in gig economy, the companies hire temporary workers for a specific assignments and job. Once that job or assignment is over, the employee has to leave the company. But if you are working as a full-time employee for any company, you will get a contract from your employer, and it will be a two-side contract. There will be certain rule for your employment. If you want to leave the company, you have to give the notice to your employer, and if companies wants to fire you, they also have to give certain period notice. So both the party will be protected. But in case of gig worker, there will not be any of such contract, and this system is called employer employee relationship. The gig word basically means job that lasts for a specific period of time. It was typically used by musicians because they get short time assignment for song creation or that music creation. But now this gig word has been used for all the freelancers, the people who work part time or temporary workers. So basically gig workers are people who work and earn outside of traditional employer and employee relationship. All Uber drivers, Zomato or Amazon delivery boy, those are gig workers. In gig workers, freelance coders, writers also comes, and people who provides specific services for any payment. Yoga trainer, those gym trainer, those all are gig workers. According to SCAM report, gig economy will grow at an annualized rate of 17% till 2023, and it will grow to $455 billion. So this amount is huge. This gig economy is going to grow bigger in India because now everything is digitalized, and in digitalized system we need more freelance workers, more gig economy workers. If you are preparing for UPSC EPFO examination, you can visit our website educare247.com, or you can download our app from the Play Store. We have two courses for UPSC EPFO. The first course is comprehensive course. In this course, all the topics which is mentioned in UPSC EPFO syllabus has been covered. We have the another course. In this course, we are covering industrial relation, labor laws, social security in India, and general accounting principles. In these courses, we are providing topic-wise notes, MCQs, live doubt session will be there, video lectures will be there, practice questions will be there, test series will be also added, and updated current affairs will be there. So these courses can help you to crack UPSC EPFO examination. Let us understand the provisions which has been included in Social Security Code 2020 for gig workers and unorganized workers. Under the new rule, gig and platform workers are entitled to things like accident insurance, health and maternity benefit, old age protection. So these can be given to gig workers as well according to new Security Code 2020. This code also talk about the companies which are employing gig workers. They are required to allot 1 to 2% of their annual turnover towards the social security fund for such workers. So this company will give 1 to 2% of their annual turnover to social security fund, and also this fund should not exceed 5% of the total amount paid to the gig worker. So it can maximum go to 5% of the total amount which has been paid to gig workers. So that is the provision which has been done in this Social Security Code 2020. That number is important. It can be asked in the examination. This seems a positive step, but it may increase the burden for gig workers because employer may not pay these money from their own fund. They can charge these fund to gig workers, and it will further uh, increase the burden on the gig workers. So we'll see how this will benefit the gig workers in the future, but it seems it may increase the burden to the gig workers. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment and subscribe to Educare 247. Thank you and happy learning.